Hopefully you have taken time to look through the code on this security access sprite. If you haven't taken some time to do it before working more with me right now, I can't stress to you how important it is for new agents to learn to read code that other people have written. The skill of decoding is one way that we figure things out for ourselves. In this instance, your ability to read this code is the very thing that will save Shadow Fox and the Perkins twins. They are counting on you to send them the code and then alter it. The director has put me on another top secret project, so I won't be able to help you as much on this one. I'll help as I can, though. Before I go, we'll look at these together. I noticed two algorithms, one that starts with an event block called "When I Receive Access Granted." I'll bet this algorithm will run when we enter the correct passcode. The other starts with "When I Receive Access Denied." I'm guessing that this algorithm will activate if the numbers were entered incorrectly. Let's look at this algorithm above and try to turn it into a sentence that will help us understand what it does. When the green flag is clicked, set ghost effect to 100. Ghosting something fades it out, so if you ghost it 100%, it will disappear completely. Then forever wait until the length of our list equals 4. This will make our program wait on this block until 4 numbers are in the list before moving on to the next blocks. Once the list has 4 items in it, if item 1 of this list equals 2, and item 2 of the list equals 5, and item 3 of the list equals 8, and item 4 of the list equals 0, then delete all numbers in the list and broadcast access granted. Or else, if items 1, 2, 3, and 4 aren't those numbers, broadcast access denied and delete the items in our list. This is the help I can give you for now. Hopefully it is enough for you to figure out what we need to send to Shadow Fox. Once you figure out the code, click on this button and send the code to Shadow Fox. Then go back and alter the code. Be diligent.